you butterflies, my name is Shreya. This is Fridge Spirit. This video is for safety rules for this. So middle finger, index finger, thumb. No, wrong. Middle finger and the thumb. Right. And index finger and thumb. Nothing. Okay. Now, don't try to do like this. That you will, if you do this, they will come ice, just like that. He can your house. Stand tightly. Okay. When you finger, okay, so don't poke your finger in this. If you poke your finger in this, you need to cut your finger, then go to hospital. Okay, bye bye.